and secure and confident enough to express themselves. The third parameter, do I have well-wishers as my parent community? Over these past few months, we faced challenges. Yes, we've made mistakes. But as we stand on the threshold of 2026, I am a very proud principal. Proud of how far my students have come, how much they have achieved. Proud of my teachers for building a positive learning environment. And I say this with the utmost humility and gratitude, proud of each one of you parents. What a wonderful support you all have been. We have learned from our mistakes. Challenges have only made us stronger. And 2026, many more milestones to look forward to, many more milestones to achieve and to celebrate. And you know what is special about the annual concert today? Many of the dialogues have been suggested by the students themselves. You save your applause for later after you listen to what they have to say. I'm sure you all are going to enjoy the evening. But before I hand over the stage to my little rock stars, the evening, the day, the year ahead belongs to them. So keep the applause going, parents, but also listen very carefully to what they have to say. Thank you once again for being here. Good to see you, sir. I hope you're well. Thank you once more for trusting me and my team with your children. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Respected principal, distinguished teachers, and dear parents, a very warm and a melodious evening to one and all. As the sun sets and the curtain rises, we gather here not just to celebrate a performance, but the symphony of life itself. Tonight comes a canvas of emotions painted with laughter of childhood, the wisdom of parents, affection of grandparents, and the harmony of friendship. This evening is dedicated to the rhythms of life, the moments that make us laugh, connect, care, and learn. So sit back and relax and let our young performers take you on a journey through music and magic and dance and stories that echo the beauty of togetherness, the symphony of life. Now, can I call upon Bani, Yaksh, Sharayan, and Ayansh to start our performance?
A simple tune, a silent plea, a tiny hand, a soul that's free. A melody that begins with the parent's grace, a gentle lullaby, a warm embrace. Then the school bell rings, a new tune starts, a rhythm of a million hearts. The teacher's voice, the guiding sound, on steady stage, new lessons found. Some notes are high, some notes are low, some chords fade, some brightly glow. But then a laugh, a loving word, a gentle tune that never gets old. So listen close and you will hear the symphony of all that's dear, the symphony of our life. Now I welcome my friend Yaksh onto the stage.
Thank you, Sarayan. Good evening, honorable guests, cherished parents and grandparents, respected directors, and our very own principal ma'am. To begin this story, I welcome on stage our guests, directors, and principal ma'am to light the lamp of knowledge and positivity.
या वीणावरदण्डमण्डिता श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Now, I welcome my friend Malhar onto the stage.
Thank you, Yaksh. Now, let us invoke the blessing of our Almighty. Please welcome Vanya for the Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
There is something truly special that binds us all together in a beautiful harmony, the symphony of life. Some of these symphonies are gifted to us by birth, and some melodies we create ourselves. Through bond, friendship, we nurture ourselves along the way. The symphony of life, it's not just about families and friends. It's about those invisible strings that connects us all together. Without these companions, the journey of life would lose its rhythm, its meaning. I am the spirit of tree of wisdom. Come, let me take you through this grand composition, the symphony of life, woven with love, with care, and with happiness. Everyone come here! How are you all today? We are ready for the stories. Which story will you tell us today? Today, dear child, today the story shall be yours. I wish to know you better, to hear the music of your heart. What do you mean? Munjakan. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Tell me, children, what brings a big smile on your face? What makes you dance, laugh, and feel super happy inside? Eating my favorite food that my mom cooks. Playing hide and seek with my best friend. Dadu, Dadi, Nana, Nani ke ghar jana. Playing with my cat I call Shera. I like going to movies with my dad. Getting new toys. Indeed. Can you imagine life without all these joys? No. Without them, existence would be silent, empty, and cold. You see, children, love, friends, and family are like the music in your favorite cartoon. Without them, life would be boring as toast without butter. No fun at all. No gana. No fun. No masti. Ha ha That is due to your wisdom. Life is only joyful when stayed with people we love. Today, together, we shall journey through the melodies and harmonies. Through connections that make life radiant, we shall discover the symphony of life. Wow!
छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे, दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ, ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ, ये जिंदगी है और क्या, एक चुटकुला हंस दे जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है तू, छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे, रततता थोड़ी थोड़ी जोरा जोरी, थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले, भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में आ भर ले, परड़ा पपारा थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरा चोरी, थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले, भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में आ भर ले, है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंस दे जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है तू, छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे, रततता
आज ऑफिस में कितना काम था। ओहो, घर कितना गंदा पड़ा है। और ऋषि कहाँ गया? ऋषि, ऋषि बेटा।
हाँ माँ।
बेटा, did you complete your homework?
Yes माँ, I will do it.
पर कल तो उसका डिक्टेशन है। ऋषि।
Yes माँ।
बेटा, did you learn your spellings?
Almost done माँ।
बेटा, you have your dictation tomorrow.
कर लूँगा माँ।
ओहो, इसका रूम कितना अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है। थोड़ा तो ऑर्गेनाइज होना चाहिए ना। ऋषि बेटा।
हाँ माँ।
एटलीस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज योर बैग बेटा।
उप्स, बैग तो गया। हाँ माँ, कर लूँगा। आप चिंता मत करो, आप खाली आराम करो।
सच अ स्वीट बेटा आई हैव।
बड़ा हो गया हूँ मैं अभी। ऋषि do this, ऋषि do that, ऋषि complete this, ऋषि finish that. I am tired of this. थक गया हूँ मैं। Hi ऋषि। Hi. अरे ऋषि, क्या हुआ? Why are you so upset? In the morning, ऋषि wake up. ऋषि take bath. ऋषि have your breakfast. कभी ये, कभी वो, कभी तो कुछ अलग बोलो, कभी तो हमारे पसंद का बोलो। पर किसने बोला तुझे? My parents. Oh yes, same for my father. Once I am back from school, he wants me to ekdam se open my bag and do my homework. As if I don't need rest. Whole day in school, come back home and listen to पढ़ाई पढ़ाई कर लो, वरना future खराब हो जाएगा. Bro, you know, my father can't even find their socks and tells me to organize my bag. Sometimes I think that we are their personal robots. सारा काम हमें ही करना पड़ता है.
Children.
Oh, trio of wisdom, we wanted you. Please come.
Rishi, when you wake up, is your favorite breakfast ready?
Yes.
Mitesh, is your uniform and your lunch box ready?
Yes, obviously. What will we eat?
Acha, when you come back at home, is your room neat and clean?
Yes, मुझे तो ऐसा ही चाहिए. If all your answers are yes, then I must say that your mama is your robo, not you.
अरे ऋषि, हम तो अपने ही जाल में फंस गए. अब क्या करें यार?
हाँ, first तो तुम गए. Parents may scold at sometimes, but scolding is another way of saying I care.
You know what? My papa buys everything nice for me. मैं जो बोलती हूँ ना, सब मुझे लाके देते हैं. इसने तो अपने पापा को ATM कार्ड बना दिया. Not like that. And you know what? My mother prays day and night for my good marks and good behavior. हाँ? लगता तो नहीं है. लगता है आंटी, मिशन अनसक्सेसफुल हो गया.
अच्छा. That's funny. Parents are our true friends, the silent guardian of our happiness. They know you more deeply than you do yourself. Their love is not always soft. Sometimes it is stern, but always it is love. So never forget, children, your parents gifted you this life. For their sacrifices and tireless love, we all must be grateful.
I see it now. I was blind to good things my parents do for me. When my mama returns home from work, I will give her biggest hug. That hug will bring brightest smile to her face.
Yes, my child, it is the eternal circle of life.
I understand now. This is the second melody of her symphony of life.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah. P-H-A-N-K-Y, oh, you thank you. Thank you. P-H-A-N-K-Y, oh, you thank you. तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला, ममता के आंचल में पला. तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला, ममता के आंचल में पला. माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, मैं तेरा लाडला. माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, मैं तेरा लाडला. बन के तेरा साया मैं तुझको थाम लूं.
Hey, Pani, why are you alone today? Where are your friends?
युवान, अपने दोस्तों को लेके आ जाओ.
Guys, one is calling us. Hi guys, look what I got. My mama gave me a robot.
Wow, show me. चल चल, कुछ भी फेंक रहे तू. है? लो, I am Rudra 2.0. I can dance. I can sing. Rudra 2.0. What do you like the most? Watching you one get scolded. Ha 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 ha. और ले ले नया रोबोट, इसने तो तेरी पोल खोल दी.
ओए चुप कर, ये नहीं बोलना होता है.
But toys never get tired of us, right? They are always there when we want to play. True, except my brother. He always borrows my toys and says they are his. That is why I love my parrot. Once he repeated my homework answer in class.
Teacher was shocked. I said, "Ma'am, my parrot should get full marks." Toys may not talk like humans, but they make us happy. When I am alone, my toys are my best friends. They are like sprinkles on ice cream, sweet, but not the ice cream itself. लो बेटा लड्डू खा लो मैंने तुम दोनों के लिए लड्डू बनाए हैं लड्डू रुको दादी लेट मी कॉल माय फ्रेंड्स गाइस लड्डू लड्डू mine is bigger. No, mine is smaller. Change it na, Daddy. Small laddu for small baby. Hey, hey. No, I want the big laddu. I want the big laddu. Arey, sorry, yaar. Don't cry. Look, I will give you my laddu. Please, na, don't be angry. Yes, my little dreamer. Toys may not breathe, but they live in your imagination. और यही तो है भाई बहन का प्यार. कभी लड़ना, कभी मनाना, कभी रो देना, कभी हंसा देना, और ऐसे ही एक दूसरों की रक्षा करना.
Okay, now listen up. We're going to tell you a story. A story about four guys. Ta, Ra, Ma, and Pa. Ta jo gire to Ra de sahara Ma pal mein samjhe का इशारा
अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम तो ये सरगम सुनाई दे सबको
तारारम पम 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 तारारम पम
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे. अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे. भोली सूरत जान के हमसे ना टकराना रे. ना दिन दिन ना नाच नचा देंगे. छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे. अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे. छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई छोटा बच्चा बच्चा कैच थोड़ा स्लो रोहन बेटा ओ रोहन बेटा लेट्स गो होम नाउ फ्रॉम हाउ लॉन्ग यू प्लेइंग आउटसाइड अरे रीचा हाइड मी नहीं तो दादाजी देख लेंगे दादाजी रोहन इज हाइडिंग हियर ओह लेट्स गो होम ना बेटा दादाजी नो इफ आई गो होम I will get bored. Come, I'll tell you a nice story. Oh, please, Dadaji. I am not interested in your boring stories. Same tiger, same ghost, same king and same queen. कुछ तो अलग बताओ. Okay, you play. I'll go home. दादाजी, हाँ बेटा. मुझे स्टोरी सुनाओगे? पक्का बेटा. ओए रोहन, you're so lucky. Lucky me. Why? You have grandparents. क्या? Yes, every day I see them dropping you to the bus stop, waiting till the bus goes waving like a Bollywood heroes. Bye, Rohan beta. Oh, just like Ja Simran Ja, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Ew, that's so embarrassing. Arey, you don't know. I miss my grandparents every single day. You won't understand. Why do you miss your grandparents? What's so special? Special? Arey, they love us more than our parents. I love you, Ramita. They tell us stories, sometimes scary, some funny. There was a haunted house with a ghost. They even tell us secret stories of how our parents were naughty in childhood. Do you know how naughty were your parents in his childhood? They protect us when Mama and Papa scold. Arre, how can I forget that? Nobody will scold my Rohan beta. Yes, I also miss my grandparents. They gave us money on my birthday and then festival also. पैसा मिलता है पैसा. And दादी जी की तो बातें मत करो. जो मम्मा डांटती है, she is like a superhero for me. Darshil, you know, Dadi makes the world's best food. Shh, better than Mama even. Okay, but like what? Like laddu, big, round, dripping with ghee. My favorite. Ooh, laddu, Dadi, where are you hiding? I want laddu. इतनी भी बूढ़ी नहीं हूँ मैं. अरे leave it, दादी. I want लड्डू, दादी please. अच्छा लो, लड्डू लाई हूँ. सब लोग एक एक ले लो. लड्डू. क्या हुआ रोहन बेटा? You look upset. I made दादाजी upset. बस इतनी सी बात. जब तक दादाजी से ना मेरे 5-6 बार झगड़ा नहीं हो जाता ना, तब तक मेरा तो खाना ही हजम नहीं होता. और तुम तो मेरे पोते हो, गुड़ तो मिलेंगे. So just chill. What kush is going on? अरे कुछ नहीं, हम तो बस तारीफ कर रहे थे. Oh दादाजी, I am sorry. Sorry ना दादाजी. कहानी सुनाओ ना दादाजी. अरे वाह. Finally, my stories are not that boring, huh? No, your stories are amazing, दादाजी. ओहो, आप फिर से स्वेटर भूल गए? चलिए घर, नहीं तो दिन भर करते रह जाएंगे. चलिए. Today, we understood something important. Grandparents are not boring. They are full of flavors of life. So don't hesitate in spending some time with them every day. The more time you spend, the better they feel. Tree of wisdom. Grandparents are the roots of the tree. Without root, can the tree stand? No. Yes. So respect them, love them, and learn from them. For one day, you will be the root for a family. Grandparents are the fourth melody of a symphony of life.
दादी के हाथ में प्यार की मिठास, दादा की कहानी
अरे मैंने कुछ बोला भी नहीं। त्रिशा,
Wait, wait.
अरे मैंने अब क्या किया? अरुण्या,
Oh, please.
अब इससे क्या हुआ? हे पानी,
Hey, wait. I'm taking a picture.
अरे पिक्चर लेने में क्या है? एक दूसरे के साथ खेल भी तो सकते हैं। जिसे देखो मोबाइल में ही बिजी है। हे सौरायन, come, let's play a game.
Hey, wait. Can't you see? I'm playing in the mobile.
मैंने भी तो वही कहा था, गेम खेलते हैं।
OMG, guys. Look at this reel. It has gone viral. Hey, send it to me. Quick, quick. Why send it just to you? Send it to all of us. I need to follow the latest trend. By the way, how many likes will it get?
Only 10,000 likes.
Only 10,000. My dance had got double. I am basically a celebrity now. Ha, that's nothing. My follow just did 20,000. Yippee! Wait, quiet everybody. I'm busy being Instagram famous. Hashtag cuteness overload. But it's my selfie that's going to break the whole internet. Whatever.
Children, where are your voices? Where is your laughter? You are together, but actually alone. Are you really fighting over likes and followers? Followers are not friends. They don't stand beside you when you fall. Is the world so fake now? All I hear are dings and clicks. You are forgetting the real world, lost inside Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. You are chasing fake fame, forgetting the real life.
But my mom says the same thing, and she loves to chat with her friends on WhatsApp. She has at least 10 groups. And my dad says that don't let social sites steal your smiles or your socks. You know what? My mother and a friend once burned a cake while watching reels. Thank God, घर जलने से बच गया.
Exactly. Screens can show faces, but only friends can show hearts. Don't let gadgets boss you around. Use them wisely. Don't let them use you.
Then I am putting my phone down and picking our friends' hands instead.
That's better. Children, technology is a gift, but addiction is a trap. A phone starts with a button, but life moves forward only when you move forward. Real smiles, real friends, real hugs, because connections from the heart are stronger than any Wi-Fi signal.
Your life is the fifth melody of symphony of life.
घर वाले भी ना मेरे समझते नहीं है कभी कभी। उस स्टार नहीं है, दुनिया है मेरी।
फॉलो करूं ट्विटर पे, टैग करूं फेसबुक पे, तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया। मिरर में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू टिकता है, तेरे मैडनेस ने मुझे ढीठ कर दिया। तू है सोडे की
अब इश्क मेरी जात बन गई।
पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें, रब ने मिलाया तुम्हें, होठों पे सजाया तुम्हें, नग में सजाया तुम्हें। पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें, सबसे छुपाया तुम्हें, सपना बनाया तुम्हें, नींदों में बुलाया तुम्हें।
ओ तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई। सपने तेरी चाहतों के, सपने तेरी चाहतों के देखती हूँ अब गई। दिन है सोना और चांदी रात बन गई। हो तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई।
पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें, रब ने मिलाया तुम्हें, होठों पे सजाया तुम्हें, नग में सजाया तुम्हें। पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें, सबसे छुपाया तुम्हें, सपना बनाया तुम्हें, नींदों में बुलाया तुम्हें।
Social media has stolen my peace. I came to post one reel and real life ended my real life. Yes, likes, shares, comments, maar dala. Too much scrolling, maar dala.
Did you complete the homework?
Yes. Why didn't you come to school yesterday?
I was sick and now I don't know how to finish my homework. बहुत डांट पड़ेगी.
Don't worry, yaar. I will help you.
Really? Then you're my best friend. Chal.
Class. Good morning, sir. Why are you all shouting?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, then be quiet.
Serving, serving.
Arey, ma'am, where are you going? You have free session now, right?
Free? My destiny has no free. I've already taken 2 substitutions today and I don't even have time to check the notebook.
अरे ओके चिल, कोई बात नहीं. आज रीता मैम का बर्थडे. स्टाफ रूम में समोसे रखे, खा लेना.
समोसे? Really? Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, class. How are you all today?
Good.
Okay, so today we are going to study about land animals. Can someone name me land animals? May I come in, ma'am? Again late? This is too much now. Give me your diary.
No, ma'am. Welcome time from tomorrow. पक्का. वो क्या है ना, पापा ने लेट कर दिया. उनके सॉक्स ही नहीं मिल रहे थे, मैम. Forgive me this time, please.
Yesterday, your papa couldn't find his glasses, and today he can't find his socks. Should I call your parents and ask? और वैसे भी आपका लेट आने का और आपके पापा के सॉक्स का क्या कनेक्शन है?
मैम आप पढ़ाइए ना.
Go. Students, name me some land animals.
Me.
Sarthak.
Tiger.
Very good. Excellent.
Me.
Mitesh.
Me, ma'am.
Cockroach. That's an insect, not an animal, Mitesh. Maybe you can try.
Ma'am, me.
Divija. Rabbit. Excellent. Students, it's time for short break now. Eat your food.
Ma'am, he forgot his tiffin today.
Oh, I'll arrange food for him. You won't stay hungry, beta. Maushi, एक plate खाना देना. Eat your food quickly, students. The short break is over. Now all have done their homework.
Sorry, ma'am. I forgot.
Why?
I was playing, ma'am.
Playing. Of course, playing is important, but not at the cost of your studies. This is the 3rd day. You're giving me the same excuse. Call your parents tomorrow.
अरे मैम कल कर दूंगी ना होमवर्क. प्लीज डोंट कॉल मी मम्मा, वरना मम्मा की डांट कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगी.
All right. Go.
Ma'am, he took my pencil. It's mine.
No, ma'am, it is my pencil.
Children, enough. Remember, sharing is caring. What happened, Sneha?
मैम मुझे लग रहा है मेरी तबीयत खराब
Yes, she does have fever. Monitor? Yes, ma'am. Manage the class. I'll take her to the infirmary. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am has gone. Now it's Master Ki Pathshala.
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले तेज धार यार रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार
आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमा सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज अरे भैया ऑरेंज अरे चाचू ऑरेंज अरे भैया
ओफो वापस सारे रट्टा मार के आंसर्स लिखे क्या करूं मैं इन बच्चों का कहाँ गए सारे के सारे मितेश रिचा दिविजा What happened children? Why you all look so frustrated? Oh Tria Wisdom, please come. We were waiting for you. You saw Tria Wisdom? The teacher just scolded me for being late. And she shouted at me for not doing my homework. I said I'll finish it, but still she was very furious. These teachers just want to control us. Chal Mitesh. Children, wait. Hey teacher, what happened? Why you look so frustrated? Hi Tree of Wisdom. See Tree of Wisdom, I'm trying to teach them discipline. I know I sometimes sound strict, but look at them. So young, so immature. I'm just preparing them for the real world. How will they face life later without discipline? I'm worried. I'm concerned. Children, come here. Oh, Tree of Wisdom has called us. Sparsh, when you forgot a tiffin, does she become your mother? Yes. Sneha, when you are sick, did she become your doctor? Yes. Sarthak,
when you were confused, did she become your guide? Hamesha. Mitesh, when you misbehave, does she become your biggest protector? Yes. Richa, when you succeed, does she become your biggest cheerleader? Always. Yes, sometimes she will be strict. Sometimes she will sound harsh. But remember, she is preparing you for the real world, where discipline and knowledge will protect you. Now go to your teacher and make her smile. Teachers are the true tree of wisdom, the ones who pass the knowledge to the next generation. What a beautiful and important work. Salute to our teacher. Do you know this balance love, knowledge, fun and discipline creates the true symphony of life. And teachers are the sixth melody of our symphony of life. Chalo chalo bachcho, it's time for your SEA. Yay!
जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे तो दिनों दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो या और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा
बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमान से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते हम है राही प्यार के चलते 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 हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते
Good evening, everyone. How beautiful the symphony of life is. How deeply it has touched us all. Today, each performance reminded us that life is not just a single note. It's a melody woven with love, laughter, discipline, dreams, and togetherness. On behalf of Nova International School, I take this moment to express our heartfelt gratitude. First and foremost, we thank our directors and our principal ma'am for guiding us, inspiring us, and helping us dream bigger and bigger day by day. A heartfelt thank you to all our dear parents for constant love, support, and encouragement. You're the true strengths behind our every performance. A special thank you to all our teachers who helped make this event truly magical. And finally, to my fellow students. You all were amazing. Each one of you added your note to this grand symphony. As the curtain falls tonight, let's all carry this music in our hearts. A music that reminds us to live with joy, gratitude, and happiness. Thank you everyone for being a part of the symphony of life. Have a great evening ahead.
I kindly request everyone present to rise for Vande Mataram.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां